In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you check hidden messages in Messenger. Let's get started. First, launch your Messenger app. You'll land to the conversations page. Now navigate to the menu page. Once you're over here, you're going to find this option message request. Click on that. Here, you'll find two tabs, you may know and spam. Scroll to find messages that were filtered out of your main inbox. These are messages from people you are not friends with on Facebook. They get tucked away so your main inbox does not get cluttered. Sometimes they are legit contacts, other times just bots or spam. To stop missing messages in the future, you can head back. Now navigate to the option settings. Scroll down and click on the option privacy and safety. Click on the option message delivery. Customize who can message you and where those messages appear. Messages from friends of friends on Facebook, likewise pages that you follow, and others on Messenger or Facebook. And that's it. This is how you can find your hidden messages in Messenger. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.